One of our channel family members told me how she loves this meal and how this is so helpful for battling diabetes and hypertension, and told me to tell you, my family members, that if you have similar issues like hers, or you just want a healthy meal, then consider adding this to your plan. Hi everyone, welcome to Lady Cleos Food Hospital, where eating rightly matters. Having prepared our flavorful African delicacy, the African breadfruit, called Ukwa in local dialect, would proceed to educating us on its health benefits, so that you would have a reason to devour this meal and connect with culture. Despite its somewhat high price, allow us to be your cultural tour guide. If you're still here, like, comment, subscribe. Have you ever heard of the saying, Ukwa ruogeya or da? Let me know in the comment section the interpretation. If you know it, as usual, I will always gist you. Scientifically speaking, Ukwa aids in blood sugar regulation, and its potassium content helps with hypertension. Let's be honest, in this grand pantheon of superfoods such as kale, chia, quinoa, God bless their trendy hearts, Ukwa has been criminally overlooked. Yes, I say it with authority. It is the quiet elder statesman of all foods. Let's talk about taste. Though difficult to explain, but I will try. Just imagine the comforting embrace of a perfectly cooked potato, but with a subtle, nutty depth, a hint of creamy sweetness, and a texture that dances between tender and satisfyingly chewy. When boiled, this dissolves on the tongue, leaving a warm, earthy echo. Earth signs gather here. This is your food. Now, when roasted, it takes a delightful crispiness. Each bite, a tiny explosion of wholesome flavor. Oh my God. This amazing African delicacy, known as afon in Yoruba and barafuta in Hausa, is most prominent in the eastern part of Nigeria. It is the kind of food that whispers stories of ancestral hearts, of communal feasts, under starlit skies, of grandmothers patiently cracking open its stubborn shell, each thought a rhythm of love. There is a nostalgia baked into every kernel, a taste that transcends mere sustenance and taps into something premier and profoundly comforting. If you have not tried it in a savory porridge with a hint of spice, please do well and thank me later. But there is a bit of a problem. Each time I hear the word Ukwa, I am reminded of the popular saying, Ukwa achinaka ona agba tum tum. If you know the interpretation, you're officially part of the inner caucus of Ukwa. This traditional connection often means that the African breadfruit is heralded with a sense of reveredness and reserved for special occasions like traditional weddings, coronations, and others. And that explains why the price is a bit on the high. It goes for 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira a cup, depending on where you buy it. Yes, costs can certainly feel like a barrier to incorporating such a beneficial food into your regular diet and turning this ancestral delight into a luxury. Cheer up, lovelies. I gotcha. The good news is that here at Lady Cleos Food Hospital, we have a clear resolution. While the raw ukwa might be a bit pricey, the ingredients needed to prepare this meal is very affordable, making it entirely doable. Check other videos on the channel if you missed the cooking part. This highly nutritious food is scientifically called Trichulia africana and thrives in our country's tropical climate, packed with protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. You can enjoy it as a rich pottage or roasted with coconut or palm nuts. For those avoiding palm oil due to medical or other reasons, it is perfectly delicious, cooked plain and served with its rich drained water. Beyond affordability in preparation, the benefit resolves many health-related concerns. I know for a fact that 1 cup of Ukwa is cheaper than diabetes medication or even that of Ozempic injection used to induce blood sugar reduction. This is also because the African breadfruit is a digestive powerhouse. Thanks to its fiber, it prevents constipation and aids bowel movement. It's an excellent energy booster. Its healthy fats and antioxidants support a healthy heart, lowering bad cholesterol. And yes, it is an immune booster, crucial for disease prevention. Remember that Ukwa rogeya or da, meaning it falls when ripe, a reminder of its natural abundance. Just be careful, a falling pod can cause a serious injury, so avoid staying under its tree. So if this meal is so amazing, I hear you ask, why isn't Ukwa on every menu and in every health store? For this reason, our roller coaster takes us to the significant hurdles this meal faces beyond its price. Its cultivation can be demanding. Its harvest and shelf life when fresh is relatively short. Farmers often struggle with sustainable practices and market access, which makes it largely untapped. Imagine the possibilities a thriving Ukwa business could do to the economy, providing sustainable income and offer delicious, nutritious solution to food insecurity. This is where our advocacy comes in. Farmers, chefs, food enthusiasts, innovators, Ukwa calls you. Experiment with it, feature it, and celebrate its versatility. Imagine Ukwa flour pastries, Ukwa risotto, Ukwa hummus. Delve into this meal and find more methods for a wider cultivation and preservation. Finally, what are other ways you would want to enjoy Ukwa? Leave your answers in the comment section. This African delicacy offers immense health benefits. There is no known counter-interaction with medications, according to current research. But our journey into intentional eating does not stop here. Rather, remember the stories, the nutrition, its untapped potential, and my humble self for caring enough about you to tell you this. I therefore commission you to go forth and discover Ukwa for your waiting taste buds and health. This remains Lady Cleos Food Hospital. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell if you'd want to continue traveling with us. Bye for now. I love you all.